The hard times in the life of our Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam were not just history. They teach us important lessons for life, faith, and inner strength. Number 1, we have to stay strong in hard times. Difficult times are a part of the journey to success. The Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam faced many problems. He was treated badly, he became poor, he lost loved ones, and people tried to kill him. But he never gave up. His life shows us that hard times don't mean failure. They are just a test to our faith and purpose. Number 2, faith is greater than fear. Trusting Allah brings peace, even during danger. In scary moments like the Hijrah, the migration, or the Battle of the Trench, the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam stayed calm. He trusted Allah deeply. This shows how strong faith can help us stay peaceful during the times of difficulty. Number 3, forgive even when it's hard. Real strength comes from mercy, not revenge. Even though the people of Quraysh hurt him and forced him out, he forgave them. When he returned to Makkah, he showed that true power is in kindness and forgiveness. Number 4, be patient and keep going. Patience means not giving up, even when it's hard. The Prophet faced insults, he was boycotted, he lost his children, yet he stayed strong. Patience is not weakness, it's a form of worship and strength. Number 5, do what's right, not what's popular. Doing the right thing may be hard, but it brings true respect. The Prophet never changed his message just to be liked. He chose truth over comfort. This teaches us to stand by our values even if others don't agree. Number 6, a leader should serve others. Good leaders care for their people and share their struggles. The Prophet suffered with his people. He didn't place himself above them. He showed that true leadership is about serving with love and humility. And number 7, trust Allah's timing. Hardships are part of a bigger plan. Sometimes victory or answers to prayers are delayed, but they always come at the right time. This teaches us to have hope and believe that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala knows the best. These lessons aren't just for Muslims. They speak to everyone who is looking for meaning in pain, strength in weakness, and purpose in life. The Prophet's life helps us understand our struggles and shows us how to face them with faith and courage.